Everything looks amazing! I can't wait for the light show tonight. Leo, glad you're here. But where did the sparkle crystal go? It was right there! Stay calm, everyone. No need to panic. Leo, we need your help.
Those tracks are leading toward the old warehouse district. If I can catch up to them, we can get the crystal back.
Stop right there, thief! You're not going anywhere with that crystal!
You think you can stop me? You're too slow, truck.
We've got to be careful. The thief could be around here.
We'll catch him, Leo. We just have to stay sharp.
Uh-oh. I didn't think anyone would figure it out.
On behalf of the entire town, we'd like to present this Heroes Award to Leo, Officer Blaze, and the entire...
Everyone, let's give one last round of applause to our heroes, Leo and Officer Blaze, for their quick thinking, bravery, and...
I'm glad everything is back to normal. It feels good to be a hero.
You deserve it, Leo. You acted fast and worked with the team to get the crystal back. We need to find a trail, Blaze. There's gotta be something that leads us to the thief. Let's start by checking the area around the market.
Looks like the festival's back on track. I'm glad everything's back to normal.
Woo!
You all did an amazing job today, supporting the festival and keeping the spirit alive.
That's right. When we work together, we can achieve anything.